In this demo, I'm showing how I replaced a beginner VBA inventory tool that had been in production for years with a standalone PowerShell application. The original Excel VBA workflow was useful, but it depended on a workbook, worksheet formulas, lookup tables, and userform code. Over time, I wanted something easier to maintain, easier to audit, and better suited for a larger ETL and reporting process. The new PowerShell version keeps the familiar business logic while moving the workflow outside of Excel. The application can collect shipment and invoice information, load item and SKU lookup data, accept multiple package level entries, calculate total units and total inventory cost, group repeated items by SKU, calculate weighted average unit cost, display detailed and aggregated results, export audit-ready reports. The calculation model is the same one used in the original VBA tool. Show how repeated SKU entries are combined into one inventory summary while preserving the original detail rows for review. This project is a good example of how PowerShell can be used by VBA developers without abandoning the way they already think. The object model, loops, validation, forms, and calculation flow still feel familiar, but PowerShell makes it easier to move beyond a single workbook and build reusable data tools. This is the first stable version of the application and the beginning of a larger inventory intake, audit, and ETL workflow. PowerShell, VBA, Excel automation, Windows Forms inventory management, ETL automation, weighted average cost, data audit, PowerShell GUI.